So, good morning students. Okay, today I am going to explain about the module 4, that is cloud computing and virtualizations. Okay, the cloud computing and first of all, what is the cloud? Okay, the cloud, which is nothing but the someone else. Okay, the someone else server we are going to use for like processing the data as well as the to host the data and storing the data. Okay, because of that only we are going to using the cloud first. Then what is the cloud? First of all, what is this stands for cloud? The cloud, which is nothing but it is a internet, or it may be a network, or it may be a server. Okay, like in the world, okay, different persons, okay, is like they're having their own definitions. Okay, some of the persons they are telling, okay, the cloud which is nothing but it is a purely network based, and like some of like some other people they are telling, okay, it is a widely distributed computing system. And like some other like persons they are telling, okay, like it is going to store the data itself, like that. Like different persons they are having their own definitions. But actually cloud computing, the definitions, okay, which is nothing but here like whatever the data means, whatever the applications, okay, they are going to delivering on demand computing services over the internet on a pay as you go basis. I am repeating the cloud computing definitions, okay, which is nothing but it is the delivery of an demand computing services over the internet on a pay as you go basis. Means it is going to giving the services to the people over the internet on the pay as you go basis. Okay, on basis, okay, which is nothing but how much you are going to storing as well as saving the particular data. Okay, once once the limit will be crossed, okay, so after that we have to use the after we have to pay the some amount to that particular software, okay, or applications. This we are call it as the pay as you go basis. Then here the cloud computing, okay, here uh, it is going to use for the n number of customer to access the services. Okay, first of all, the internet, okay, if all the resources are going to interconnected to the each other. Okay, suppose the resources it may be a mobile phone, or it may be a laptop, or it may be a desktop. Okay, these all are the resources, okay, which we are going to use these resources, one of the persons, or it may be a client. Okay, the client has to directly interconnect it to the cloud, but the cloud will be providing the services with the help of the what is that cloud provider. Okay, the how it is going, how we are going to getting the services means through the provider. Means suppose for example, okay, Amazon is one of the cloud, or it may be a Microsoft, okay, Azure and Google. Okay, these all are the different cloud. Okay, they are going to actually provide the what is that yeah, they are going to provide the server server. Okay, based on that, okay, we will get the services. Okay, the services, it may be a software has a services, or it may be a platform as a services, and infrastructure has a services. See, this is about the complete details about the cloud computing. Then I'll move on to the next topic, that is cloud enabling technologies. Okay, the cloud enabling technology, okay, like we are going to use for the different enabling technology to perform the different operations on the different what is that applications. Like why we are going to use for the cloud enabling technology means, okay, here we are going to use for the different enabling technologies, that is what is that internet technologies, and it may be hardware technologies, and then grid computing technologies and utility technologies. Then what is that service oriented architectures for web 2.0. This one of the web services, okay, which we are going to enable the cloud technologies. Then what is the cloud computing, sorry, what is the grid computing and utility computing? The grid computing, okay, which is nothing but, okay, it is going to it tells about the what is that the large amount of problems, okay, they are going to solving within the parallel computing systems. Okay, the parallel applications or parallel computing applications, they are going to solving the large amount of problems within the cloud. And what is the utility computing means? Okay, offering the computers resources, okay, has a measured services. The measured services, which is nothing but like the cloud services, that is SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. Then what is the SOA? That is service oriented architecture. It is like it is going to provide the set of services, okay, that can be communicate with each other. Means the set of services, okay, they are going to interact with each other in the same platform. Then what is the hardware virtualization and multi-core chips? Okay, the hardware virtualization, it is going to enable the resource to be viewed as well as the managed in a storage array. So this is about the cloud technologies. And what are the characteristics of the cloud computing? The next topic, the characteristics of the cloud computing. Okay, it should be a broad network access and measure the services, on demand self services, resource pooling, rapid elasticity. So the on broad network access means, okay, the person has to be like use the devices or resources. It may be a mobile phone, or it may be a laptop, or it may be a desktop. Okay, if they if they want to access the data whenever, okay, whenever they want, they can easily access, or wherever they required. Okay, if anywhere, any place, okay, they can easily access the data or informations through the network. And then what is the measures the services? Okay, the measures the services, okay, which is nothing but, okay, it should be, yes, it's like measures the services, okay, which is nothing but we are going to like measures all the cloud services, that is our application service, software services, then platform as independent services, then infrastructure services. Okay, so this is about the measures the services. I mean, which is nothing but it is going to controlling and manages the all the services within the cloud. Then what is the on demand self services? Okay, on demand, which is nothing but the customer has to provide the services. Okay, means it is going to describing the self services, and is and it is also controlling the self services within the time or within the on time. Okay, they are going to providing all the services. Then resource pooling means whatever the services, okay, or whatever the information, okay, we are going to retrieve from the cloud, the everything we are going to store on the storage area, okay, which is nothing but our storage device, that we are going to call it as the resource pooling. The next topic is benefits of the cloud computing. Okay, the benefits of a cloud computing, that is scalability, storage options, control choices, tool sections. Okay, the scalability, which is nothing but, okay, it should be a supports for the workloads, different workloads, and storage options. They the user can choose the different storage options for like storing the all the data. It may be a different what is that storage devices, that is public, private or hybrid clouds. Okay, then control the choice. Okay, the control the choice, which is nothing but like it is one of the measurable services, okay, which is going to controls the all the services within the cloud. Okay, see, these all are the benefits of the cloud computing. Along with that, it is going to provide the flexibility, scalability, and like data reusability. These all are the benefits of the cloud computing. The next one is, what is the cloud services model? Okay, the cloud services model, that is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. For shortly, we are going to call it as the SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. See, these all are the service, okay, we will use in the cloud service model. Then I'll move on to the what are the services will be available in the next video. Okay, thank you.